everyone, welcome back to my channel, Mindfully Kiki, and welcome to day 8 of Breathe and Flow, a 15-day yoga challenge. And of course, I am your host and yoga instructor, Kiki. So today we are diving back into breathing, and we're going to add a little brief meditation as well. So we're going to bring awareness to the thoughts in our mind and add in some intentional breathing techniques. So for today's practice, all you'll need is a comfortable seat. You can choose to have a blanket, a bolster, or a pillow to sit on. So grab what you need and we will get started. So we're going to start in a seated position, and as I said before, you can use a pillow or a bolster or a blanket to sit on, or you can use your blocks, and I'm going to use my blocks just to sit on. And this is just to help me sit a little more erect in my spine. That's going to tilt my pelvis forward, and then reach your shoulders up towards your ears and bring them down and back just to open the chest a little. And once you've sat in your comfortable seat, reach up through the crown of your head. Hands can rest on your thighs or your knees, whichever feels better for you in this moment. And we're going to start with 3 deep breaths. So inhale through the nose, open the mouth and exhale. Inhale, open the mouth and exhale. One more time, inhale, open the mouth and exhale. And then you can choose if you'd like to find a focal point in front of you, or if you'd like to close your eyes right here in this moment. We're going to go into noticing our thoughts. So just notice whatever comes up in your mind. And be mindful here that we're not having any judgment towards these thoughts. We're just simply noticing the thoughts that come up in these moments. So not trying to change them, no judgment towards them, just notice them. That may mean that you notice thoughts are wandering into the past. You're thinking about what you've done for the past week, the past weekend, the past month. Any time in the past, you may be traveling there, and that's okay. Acknowledge that in this moment. Or you may notice that your thoughts are wandering into the future. So our natural thought is to think about what we're going to do after we finish this practice, or what you have to do for the rest of the day, what you have to do for the rest of the week, the month. Whatever time in the future, just acknowledge those thoughts as well. And if you feel like thoughts are just rushing in, you don't have time to acknowledge them, I want you to think about your thoughts as birds and your mind as the branch of a tree. So as your thoughts fly in, let the bird come and sit on the branch of your tree. And it doesn't have to stay long. But once that thought leaves your mind, think of it as the bird flying away. So as your thoughts come in, the bird settles on the branch of the tree. And then as your thoughts go out, the bird flies away. And then adding the breath into this as well. So keeping with our bird analogy, if you want to inhale as the bird comes in, the birds come in and land on the tree branch. And then exhale as the bird flies away, or the birds fly away. So let's inhale together. The birds are coming in, and exhale. Birds are flying away. Inhale and exhale. And keep breathing at your own pace. And just recognizing that your thoughts come in and they leave at this pace many times during the day. So knowing that you have a million thoughts in your head every single day is okay. And maybe you use the birds coming to sit as you focusing on one thought at a time, and then letting it go. Let your breath allow you to focus on just a few thoughts at a time. Inhale as the birds fly in. Exhale as they fly away. And let the birds fly in one more time. Inhale. And let them fly out one more time. Exhale. And so you can use this whenever you feel like your mind is a little cluttered in the moment, or you feel like your thoughts are a little scattered and all over the place. Think of them as those birds coming in to sit. So maybe you have maybe around 3 birds at a time come and sit. And then they can fly away one by one. And then do it all over again. And so I'll let you explore this bird's analogy with our last 5 breaths. Inhaling through the nose, exhaling out of the mouth. So sit tall. And as you breathe, you may find that your body relaxes, so you may have to readjust your posture, and that's okay. So readjust your posture in this moment, and we'll end with 5 breaths. Inhale through the nose, exhale out of the mouth. So let's inhale together. Open the mouth and exhale. Inhale. And open the mouth and exhale. Inhale. Open the mouth and exhale. Inhale. Open the mouth and exhale. One more time. Inhale. Open the mouth and exhale. And if you have your eyes closed, you can slowly blink them open, coming back into this space. Thank you for joining me for this breathing meditation session. And I would love to know what you noticed about your thoughts throughout this meditation. So let's talk in the comments, and I will see you all tomorrow for day 9 of Breathe and Flow, a 15-day yoga challenge.